1009, 1010, 1011. Woo! God damn! Woo! Now that is what I call a workout. Hello and welcome to another Tools for 20 product showcase. I'm your host, Zora Carbola, and today we'll be checking out one of the original vaporizers of all time, the Storz & Bickel Volcano Classic. While the original version came out 20 plus years ago, how well does it keep up with the latest devices of today? And is it better to save up for the Volcano Hybrid, or is the Classic good enough? Let's take a closer look and find out. And like all the big boy desktop vaporizers, this one comes in a pretty freaking big box, as you can see right here. But it does come with everything that you need, which includes the loading chamber, one bag with an adapter, 4 bags with an easy valve, extra screens, extra filters, a liquid pad, your herb grinder, a cleaning brush, and the Volcano Classic itself. I mean, look at this thing, it's a goddamn machine. But it is a solid and reliable device that comes with a convection heating system, a borderline immortal lifespan, and ease of use and cleaning. There is absolutely no wonder why this product has an incredible stellar reputation in the vaporizer industry. This device has been tested by both consumers and Time, and it's one of the only desktop vaporizers or vaporizers in general that have an incredibly loyal fan base. Now, using the Volcano Classic is not as easy as the Hybrid, but it doesn't mean that it's any difficult. First, load a chamber so the entire screen at the bottom is covered by your botanicals. Then, select a temperature with the dial before turning on the heat. I was personally using the number 7 setting on the dial. Then, place your loaded chamber on top of the device and turn the heat on by pressing heat. Now it's just a waiting game, and once the orange light in the middle turns off, it's done heating. Just mount one of the bags at the top of the chamber and turn on the fan to start filling them up. Then you're good to go. Moving on to heating systems, obviously the Volcano Hybrid is the hybrid system, and the original Volcano Classic is, well, just a convection heating system. But the vapors are still incredibly good. The bags do a good job of cooling, and once you actually inhale, there is absolutely zero resistance from the bag. So you just get all the fun clouds and yummy vapors without hurting your throat. Perfect for medical patients. And according to our written review of the Volcano Classic, the vapors on this will even satisfy the snobbiest of vaporizer snobs. And honestly, I agree. The vapors are incredibly flavorful, and the high is, pure THC. Now moving on to manufacturing quality, obviously no one can beat Storz & Bickel with how well they built their products. Look at this thing. Wow! Most of their devices are not only well built but also well designed. This includes the original Volcano Classic. Its metal exterior reminds me of an old kitchen appliance. It's heavy enough so you won't accidentally knock it off, and more importantly, it has been known to last for an incredibly long time. I've read that some people have owned their Volcano Classics for like 10 years. That is crazy. Imagine just investing, well, a lot of money and it's something that does not last for that long. It could be a little frustrating, but with Storz & Bickel, not a problem, man. Now moving on to portability and discreetness, obviously like all desktop vaporizers, this thing is not very portable or discreet at all. It comes at a total of around 7 pounds, which is a weight that you probably wouldn't want to carry around from location to location. It's also not very discreet, as even using the bags in public will give you weird stares. And especially because you have to plug it into a wall to even make it work. Like all desktop vaporizers, this one does not have a battery. Instead, it has a 6-foot long power cord that you cannot remove, unlike the Hybrid, which has a removable cord. So to use this device outside would require an incredibly long extension cable, a generator, or at least a 100-watt car power inverter. But honestly, you probably won't be looking at this device if you were interested in something more portable. Unless you're me and you're just browsing through YouTube and watching random things. Now moving on to comparable devices, there isn't a lot of things in the market that can honestly compete with this. But if you do have a little bit more money, I suggest you just save up for the hybrid instead. This is the newest version of the Volcano with a faster heat up time, upgraded fan, Bluetooth and app controls, a whip attachment, and more importantly, a delicious hybrid heating system. Obviously, the hybrid is a significantly better version of the Classic, but it is also a little bit more expensive. But honestly, if you can save up for it, just save your money for the hybrid. At least, that's what I think. Now, if you are somebody who is looking for something more affordable like me, then I suggest you check out the Arizer XQ2 instead. A desktop vaporizer by Arizer, the XQ2 is considered as the budget-friendly version of the Volcano. It also has a convection heating system, a big bowl, but it suffers from a weaker fan and a slower heat up time. If those aren't issues for you, the XQ2 is an incredible device for its price. Now moving on to accessories, Storson Bickel is loaded. You could buy chamber reducers, extra vapor bags, a carrying case, and they carry a lot of different accessories that you might just need, but honestly, most of them already come in the box. But if you do need anything extra, don't even trip dog, Storson Bickel's got ya. Now moving on to cleaning. Cleaning the Volcano Classic is honestly as easy as not cleaning it at all. But you should. Just make sure that the filling chamber and screens are often brushed after every use. And after a while, you'll find some gunk building near the nozzles. Once you notice that happening, just soak the loading chamber and mouthpieces in isopropyl alcohol, then wipe them off dry with paper towels. Ta-da! Your Volcano should be as good as new. And that about sums up our review of the Volcano Classic. Overall, this is a strong device that's built like a tank and is built to last. Although the only reason I would buy this today is if there's no possible way for me to save up for the hybrid, as the hybrid is just a way better version of this device. So, what do you guys think of the Volcano Classic review? Do you own one or are you saving up for the hybrid instead? Let us know in the comments down below. And if you haven't, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button so I will keep making videos just for you. Trust me, all the videos are just for you, baby. Anyway, this is Zurich Herbola for Tools 420. Until next time, I'll see you later. Peace.
Check this out.